Happy Valentine's Day. Let's learn to read these words with phonics. A, P, E. Happy. Double letters make one sound. We don't read it as A, P, P, E. Y, as you all know, has a Y sound as in the word yo-yo as a consonant. But when Y comes at the end of a word, it takes the E sound. So it is A, P, E. Happy. Valentine is a I magic word. This letter I and E together make the sound I. So it is V, A, U, E, N, T, I, N, S. Valentine's. D, A. A and Y makes the sound A as a digraph. Alternate spelling of A. Happy Valentine's Day. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to like it. To learn everything about phonics, please subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.